Happy Father's Day, babies. You won't believe what just happened. It's Sunday morning, 11:30. I was just having my coffee and then I saw this picture. I said, wow, this can't be true.
Wow.
Because remember yesterday I just made a video talking about waiting for CFE connection guy for 3.5 months for some meter installation. And guess what? This morning, Sunday, June the 18th, Father's Day, the connection guys come out to the jungle and installed our meters. Wow, magic does happen in Mexico. Thank you so much, CFE. Thank you so much, the connection team. Thank you for your hard work and happy Father's Day to all of you. Thank you. Salute.